In 1999, the group that had originally founded the SPCA of Northern Nevada, they moved into our current location, which has worked very well over the years. However, it has fallen on bad times. It's desperately in need of repair. The current facility really is not as suitable as we would like it to be for the number of animals that we house.
Unfortunately, there are many times that some of the animals will come in with some things like kennel cough and or upper respiratory with the kitty cats. That is also stress related. Having a larger facility would really help us control and keep the traffic away from some of those more serious diseases and prevent the spread of it.
We were fortunate that Stanley James Walker, who loved the SPCA of Northern Nevada, saw to it to leave us enough money in his will, in his bequest, to help us build a brand new shelter and give the animals a much nicer, more comfortable, stress-free home. The day we broke ground was a phenomenal day for all of us here at the SPCA.
Even the dogs that we brought to the ceremony that day all had a big smile on their face.
We all felt extremely proud of what we're going to be able to bring to this community.
In the new building, we're going to be able to double the amount of dogs that we'll be able to accommodate and triple the amount of cats that we'll be able to accommodate. We will have larger cat colonies and more cat colonies, which will enable the cats to socialize with each other. Cats do like to live in groups. Many dogs end up in a shelter environment because of behavioral issues, and one of the largest behavioral issues is under-socialization, dogs that don't get along with other dogs. Having 4 additional exercise yards in the new building will enable us to put them into larger exercise groups and begin training them on socialization and better manners with each other so that they become more adoptable, which will allow us to save more lives.
From a health standpoint, we're going to be able to do things that are much better for the animals. The new facility will bring a tremendous number of benefits to us. We will be able to provide a much stronger HVAC system, the air conditioning, heating and ventilation system for animal care, rotating fresh air about 15 times per hour when normally it's about 5 times per hour for a normal office building.
The sound quality will be much better. That is a stressful element on the dogs and the cats.
And then in addition to that, there's an awful lot of hiking trails up in the area behind our new shelter. So people, our volunteers and staff, will be able to take animals on long walks. The benefits to the community are healthier animals, happier animals, and the opportunity to really come in and select, have a large selection of potential new members of their family.
They are pets. We domesticated them, so it's our responsibility to take care of these guys.
I think it's going to be a much stronger community-based shelter than what we have now, and because of that will allow us to provide a lot of new services. The youth programs, education programs, training programs, which we're very excited about. We are just in the final stages of building that new building and hopefully opening in June. We currently have a 5,000 square foot facility. We're moving into a 17,000 square foot facility. So obviously utilities are going to be higher, just general operational costs are going to be higher in that building. So we're going to need strong community support to continue the operations throughout the years.